Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video I have a quick unboxing and a little bit of news. So I'm sorry that I haven't been uploading as much. It's because of school's kind of busy and I'm still trying to figure out the best schedule for me to make videos and also do good in school, you know. But I just wanted to make this video because I got a package that I've been waiting for, well, 5 months. Yeah. Oh, I ordered this in May and it finally came and I'm excited. Kind of lost that excitement because it's been 5 months. I actually kind of forgot about it. But yeah, here it is finally. So yeah, let's unbox it. I did order this from, I guess, Airplane Store, still, oh yeah, awesome place to purchase model airplanes, because there's always good discounts. Yeah, here it is, very nice, and there's no paper, and here's the model. Wow. The package just look amazing. Looks very nice. Nothing else in the box. I thought there might be 2 models, but this is an amazing model. I was actually considering of buying the new one, but I might still buy it. I'll think about it. But yeah, here it is. Wow. I like this Old Canyon blue livery. It looks very nice. Actually, someone on Instagram got theirs broken. I do not remember their name, but I'll put the story that they shared. But mine seems to be in one piece, which is really good. Yeah, looks very nice. Very nice, just nice build quality. Also very beautiful livery. This is going to be my 3rd Southwest model. Maybe I'll order the new one without the split scimitars, but I will think about it. So let me show you it. So here's the model, starting off from the cockpit windows. They look very nice. Landing gear looks very proportioned. Front boarding door. Here we have the red belly of the aircraft, the well-sized CFM engines, the overwing exits. Just went out of focus. Then we have the winglet, which says southwest.com, and then we have the registration in the back, which says November 862 7 Bravo, and then we have the beautiful Canyon Blue Southwest tail. Looks very nice. I like this livery. I always wanted to have one of these like Southwest Canyon Blue liveries, because I always thought that this livery was, unique and very interesting. It was kind of like a retro livery. I wanted to buy Gemini Jets one, but any Southwest aircraft is always overpriced. They're not overpriced, it's just because they're so rare. Gemini Jets doesn't really make a lot of them per year. But when I saw that NG came out with this one, I went and bought it. And it finally arrived. This was actually supposed to be the 9th model or the 10th model for the birthday unboxing, but it sadly didn't arrive for my birthday. But here it is, 4 months later, and it still looks very beautiful. But here's just a quick comparison between the 2 Southwest 737s that I have from NG models. Here we have the new livery and the old livery. They both look amazing, but I do think that the new livery kind of pops out more. But the old one, well, it's still looks very amazing. And I can see that the color is kind of, well, it's kind of weird actually. Like, remember on Aviation's 18's video, the color was almost like very light blue, and I can actually kind of really see it. You know, it doesn't seem to be the color that the actual Southwest Canyon Blue livery uses, or it might be just in this light. Well, anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and fly safe.